If you ever wanted to use QR codes in your marketing, but you don't know how, and then you don't know how to track their use or whether they're working or what source they're coming from, hopefully this video is going to sort through that a little bit for you. So I'm going to switch over here to the Wikipedia website. It just really discusses what a QR code or a quick response code, in case you really wanted to know, is. Essentially just a two-dimensional matrix barcode like you see right here in this demonstration, where most of you have probably seen these before. You can open the camera on most phones, most modern phones today, and point the camera out of it, and a URL pops up, and you can click it, and it'll take you to that website. It'll add either a contact. It'll do a variety of different things. I'm going to just stay with the websites today, just to make it simple, and you can investigate just through some simple Google searches about the other things. So let's talk about this. How can you make a QR code? Well, all you have to do is Google, and there's a million ways to make a free QR code. Now, the problem with a lot of the free services is you can't check analytics. You can't alter the QR code. What I mean by that is make it your own, right? Really give some pizzazz to it, add colors, a logo. A lot of those you can't. You have to pay for them as a service. So if you're not looking for that and you just want a flat QR code, those will probably work just fine for you. But again, using another third-party software is yet another tool that you have to purchase, and it doesn't really link in well with the rest of your marketing. If you want to really be able to attribute QR codes to marketing, like we use them, for example, here, just for a quick example here, I'll show you, I don't know if it's in focus or not, my business card here. Yes, it's a picture of me on it, and on the back is a QR code that takes you to my business card information. Really nice. It's actually got the logo in the middle. Yeah, it's a poker chip. So you can do all kinds of creative things with QR codes. But I'm going to show you what's built right into Reach Penguin with the QR codes here. So let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so brand new section within Reach Penguin called QR codes. If you go here to sites and you go over here to QR codes, you'll see it right there. It actually still says new in there. Now I'm on the analytics page. Since we're on a demo account, I've not created any QR codes as of yet, but I'm going to go ahead and click QR codes here so you can see. It's going to go right to the default page where we can create a new QR code. All right, so let's go ahead and create one. Let's go on and do that. All right, so here it is. So first step is let's name your QR code or your quick response code. What do you want to call this? I'm going to call this YouTube demo. Yeah, sounds good to me. All right, and where do you want this thing to go? Now, since Reach Penguin has, I'm using Reach Penguin software for that. If you're interested in a free trial, you can find the link somewhere below. But we're going to do the website here and not the review link, because we have Google reviews, Facebook reviews also built in. Because if you've ever been to like a store shopping and you see on a placard sitting there maybe a, hey, click here to give us a Google review, that's a great use for this. I'm just going to show you the website one today. So I'm going to click this website right here, and I'm going to come down here and click next. All right, so there's next. Where do you want this thing to go? So we need the URL or the web address to where this thing is going to go. Well, I'm going to create one for our YouTube channel. That sounds good to me. So let's go YouTube Reach Penguin. There's our YouTube channel. So, okay. I'm going to go here and I'm going to just copy this. I don't need that in part. You can copy the whole thing if you want, but I'm on a desktop here, and that's what Chrome is assuming I'm on. So I'm just going to copy the URL. Actually, you can't see this in the video. I have that part cut off. I have a million shortcuts on my videos. So let's jump back over here, and I'm just going to paste it, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about here. There it is. So Reach Penguin. So that right now, if you scan that, you can see it changed. And as I change just individual letters, let me back up one, you'll see the code entirely changes there. But I'm going to add the N back. That makes a big difference where it's going to go. So that's where it's going to go. So, all right, great. Let's click next here. Okay, now what do we want the background color? I'm just going to leave this plain white. That's fine. Dots. What do we want our dots to be? Well, here's the fun part of this. You can make them whatever color that you want. I'm going to go in and grab some of our branding here. You'll kind of see it in here. I'm going to look at our color history. Do I have our green in here? I think that might be our green. Maybe not. I'm going to grab it anyway. Okay. And I'm just going to pretend that's our green. If it's not our green, Mac, why you got to be evil and not copy what I want you to here. Let's go back and copy that. There we go. All right, that's important. All right, there. It's definitely not our green, but that's okay. For our purposes here, we're just going to put that in here. And then we have the marker border color. That's around these markers right here. This basically tells your camera which way's up, right? Which way's up, because it knows there's 2 on one side, 1 on another, and 2 up top, 2 on the left. That's really it. So it just knows orientation of the code. So again, you can change these to whatever. I'm just going to make some pretty random colors here, and they're going to be probably pretty hideous. There we go. So there's some random colors that you can put in for your QR code. So now that we have the colors, this allows you also then to do the shape and the form. So this allows us to do some different things. We can go straight with dots right here. You can see that these things now change to dots. If we want it kind of just all run together, we can do this. We can choose this one here, which blurs it even more, or this style, which kind of almost looks like a 3-dimensional maze here. Let's click that one. That flattened out the maze, kind of like an old 8-bit graphics, if you guys are old video game players. If not, that's okay. All right, or we can kind of go the smooth lined circles. I really like just the plain dots. Yeah, I'm a dot fan. So I'm going to go with just the dots here. And we can also change the marker border. So this border right here, we can change. You can see what's selected. It's surrounded, but if I wanted to go straight square, we can do that. Or if I wanted to go circles, I can do that. I'm going to go circle, and then we can change also the interior. I'm going to change that. I'm going to go really bizarre. I'm going to make that circle square. So again, however you want to do it, you can absolutely do it. And the next stage then is your logo. Let's put a logo in here. Yeah, we allow you to customize this a little bit. We can go with no logo. That's the current one there. You can upload your own. Oh, wait, what? Yes, so you can put your company logo in here. I'm going to go ahead and I don't really have a logo in here, so I'm not going to put my logo. But you can upload and put your logo in there. Just making sure it's a 1x1 standard. 1x1 standard, and you can absolutely do that. But since this is going to YouTube, they have some pre-built ones. I'm going to go ahead and throw this into as our YouTube channel right here. So this is our YouTube one. So there it is. And you can see we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, LinkedIn, a lot of the other stuff that could be out there. You can also remove background from behind the logo, which, yes, you want to do that, because if not, it will look like that. Or if you like that look, go for it. I'm going to choose to remove it so it looks a little bit cleaner there. And then finally, you have this page background. You can upload an image to go behind this QR code. I don't personally like that, but you might. I'm going to show you really quick what it looks like, because I'm going to pick this a dog. That's actually my dog. So I'm going to go ahead and, pick this dog to go in there, double click there. So you can see the image that goes behind it. If you want to, again, you can do lighter colors, lighter transparency, so it's not so harsh. Back here, you just got to use your creativity. I'm going to, and here's the transparency. There we go. So if you just wanted to put the goofy dog back there, you could. I'm going to remove this because beyond what I wanted to do with this. So we're going to make it full transparent. That is it. I want to save this out now. I wanted to download my QR code. So there it goes. I just downloaded it. Done. There is my YouTube demo QR code. So I'm going to show you now then in real time, maybe in real time. There we go. You can see we have no clicks on this right now, on this QR code. That's what we're looking at. I'm going to pick the QR code we're looking at. It's the YouTube demo, the one we just created. There are no clicks on that. Zero, zilch, none. All right, so I'm going to go back over here to the QR codes, and I'm going to pull my phone out. And don't worry, I'm going to record this really quickly so that you guys can indeed see what happens here on my phone. So let me go ahead and record this. Drop down here, and I'll splice this in and show it to you. So now it's recording. Excellent. 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 Okay, so now I'm going to open the camera up. Okay, so there's the camera, and I'm going to move this in front of, and you can see there's a URL address down there, reachpenguin.com, and I'm going to click that, and then it's going to actually open up my YouTube app right there. It opened up my YouTube app and all of our YouTube channel content and information. So let's take a look then at this over here on the analytics side. Let me move that out of the way. Okay, there we go. Analytics side. So this is real time. As someone clicks your QR code, we'll be able to see when they clicked it and how many people click it. There it is. We have one unique scan right here. So it's a QR scan, one unique code, because obviously it's going to count how many times it's scanned, and then it's going to not count the same person more than once, or at least it shouldn't. And it's going to show you, hey, this is the one we called YouTube demo, and then this is the number of times it was scanned. So let's just go ahead and do this one more time for giggles. So I want to open back up my my camera here and go back over here really quickly. It's going to bring reachpenguin.com up, and I went ahead and clicked it. All right, excellent. Let's go back. I'm going to stop the screen recording over there on my phone, which it did. Excellent. So there we go. See, look, now we see that it was scanned twice, but only one of those was a unique person, right? Meaning basically I did it 2 times. So you can see how many times unique, how many is not unique. So it'll give you a better insight into some of your marketing, especially if you're putting this on flyers, if you're putting this on mailers. How do you track a mailer? Great goodness. When you're sending them out, maybe you do bulk mailings, maybe you do your reviews, maybe you're doing special coupon codes with this. Whatever the reason, you can track this now better as part of your campaigns. And in Reach Penguin, it's just included in. So if you're interested in a free trial of Reach Penguin, just head over to reachpenguin.com. You'll see the free trial button. Go ahead and kick that and let us know. If you got any other questions about anything else that you may have seen here, just feel free to let us know. I hope that helps. Thanks, and have a great one.